toxic, corrosive, radioactive, etiologic, asphyxiating, flammable, oxidizing, reactive, unstable and explosive by detonation, bloody, combustion explosion, or violent reaction, or cryogenic.